talk about how can you select time range on your to-do list app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on time range source, you click on it here. Then here you come to this list, and here can you can you choose here time range source. So if you want to select, you just click on today, for example, you click on it, then you swipe it up like this, then it's going to go, it's going to be verse here. And if you want to add feature to a second, you just swipe it in like this, you click on future and swipe it, then it's going to be second here. So when you're down, you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.